Welcome to Easter Island, a lonely piece of land in the middle of an endless ocean. Moai loom in front of you, huge stone heads and figures, like frozen guardians of time. There are hundreds of them here, and each one is like an imprint of an ancient mystery. These giants were created by the Rapa Nui people, the indigenous inhabitants of the island, between about the 13th and 15th centuries. They were carved from soft volcanic tuff in the quarry of the Rapa volcano. They were hammered with stone hammers, patiently chipping away the excess. Then the statues were moved to the coast and placed on platforms, ahu. Some moai reach 10 meters in height and weigh more than 20 tons. It is almost impossible to imagine how they were moved without wheels and machinery. Why were they installed? According to the most common version, moai embodied ancestors and leaders. They were seen as carriers of mana, a special spiritual force. It was believed that these giants protected the tribe, brought rains, helped the harvest and kept the peace of the earth. Sometimes the statues walked to the installation site. Scientists suggest that they were swung and bent with ropes, as if they were forced to walk. And now look at the face of one of the moai, a massive nose, a heavy chin, a distant look. It was these features that became the prototype of the famous smiley face. He conveys the very combination of monumentality and light, mysterious equanimity that the whole island breathes. Let this image stay with you. Easter Island is a place where a stone preserves the memory of an entire vanished civilization. See you.